Alright guys, so you see that? That's the actual ambient light. So that's where it comes out of. So you guys ever wonder what's inside of it? So I cracked it open and it's just these two tiny little LEDs. That's insane. That's what powers one of those high-end premium ambient light kits. Don't buy those two cheap ones that look like almost fluorescent type of nonsense. So pretty much the black piece, you just stick it into the cracks, and then that little white piece sticks out and then it glows.